2, 1, start. This later petition has been moved by one Bhagwati Srivastava, resident of Panchvati Nagar, Airport Road, Indore within bracket MP, with the facts that the respondent Dallu Ram, resident of Panchvati Nagar, Indore, has made the illegal encroachment over the public land and regularly by way of plastic waste and smoke, causing air pollution, adversely affecting the health and life of the applicant oblique complainant, a senior citizen, with the intention to grab the land and house of the complainant. It is further alleged that the trees standing on the public land are being destroyed by the respondent, and in spite of the complaint made to the police station, no action has been taken by the authorities concerned. Thus, this petition, the matter was taken up by this tribunal on 16/10/2023, and a committee consisting one representative from collector and one representative from the State Pollution Control Board was directed to submit the factual and action taken report. In compliance thereof, the members of the committee visited the site. There is dispute between both neighbor persons, Srimati Bhagwati Srivastava, regarding cutting of tree branches. This is stated that the tree is in front of the house, adjacent to the road and touching with the wall of house. Some branches of the tree are spreading inside the house, and a branch was observed pruned or cut, which was going inside the house. The tree is already in existence and its height is about 40 to 45 feet, spread over the road. The tree is neither on the land of the applicant nor in front of her house. Both the houses are located on private land and observed since outer wall along the road of the line of other houses of the colony. The complaint regarding abusing to Srimati Bhagwati Srivastava by Sri Dallu Ram. Sri Dallu Ram has stated during inspection that he never abused her, while Srimati Bhagwati abused him many times, but he never made complaint to the authorities. The complaint is not concerned with environmental issues, as the tree has not been cut by Sri Dallu Ram. Only those branches have been pruned which were spreading inside his house. The tree is already in existence. There is personal dispute between two neighbors, Sri Bhagwati Srivastava and Sri Dallu Ram, which may be solved by the local police oblique administration. Notices were also issued to the State Pollution Control Board and other persons, and in compliance thereof, the State Pollution Control Board had submitted the report that there is no encroachment on public land and that there was no cutting of the trees. The tree is already in existence at present, and it is just touching the wall of the non-applicant house, and some branches are spreading inside the house which were pruned. Rest are their personal disputes. One Dallu Ram has filed the reply that the branches of the tree were spreading towards the electric pole, which was reported to the Nagar Nigam and accordingly it was pruned. The perusal of report reveals that there are internal private disputes. Nothing is involved in this application violating the environmental norms. Hence, no further action is required to be taken by this tribunal. The original application number 145/2023 stands dismissed and disposed of accordingly.